Hello again. My computer hinges get broke. In fact, the hinges are okay, but all these screws and nuts from the plastic top, I may say, they are broken. In the other side, you see, I tried to fix it with epoxy. Okay, it was working for a while, but it turns that they are broke again. It's physical. So epoxy is not too good for this purpose because it's very, how can I say, it's very fixed. It's unplastic. So what I'm going to try to do now, I'm going to have some silicone based glue that I used for gluing with a gun glue. And what I have done first, my iron.It 350, and I was trying to fix the nuts in place a little bit, not too much, because if you push it too hard you can break the plastic lid and goes the other side. Okay, so next step, like I said, I'm gonna use this kind of glue. You see it here, 350 degrees, it's a little bit too much, so I'm gonna get it down to, let's say, 300 degrees. And it should be nice to have a hot air station. I don't have it yet, but it's in my plan anyway. You see, I'm just trying to put a drop of glue around here, melt it nice. Don't put too much, because we need to have the screw hole clear. Just let it melt well, and somehow to make a kind of joint with the plastic, with the original plastic. Yeah, it's looking pretty okay. Mix it well with the original plastic. This kind of silicone glue, I think it's better because somehow it's elastic and give the joint a little bit of, how can I say, a little bit of play. It's not so stiff, you know, like epoxy I used before. Okay, I think this one is looking good. Let me have another one. And I also think 300 degrees. You see 300 here? It's more than okay. We don't need too much because it's burning the glue. Like I said before, not too much because we need the hole of the screw to be open. Here too. Okay, I have to take this a little bit up. Yeah. Like I said, let it melt with the plastic, with the original plastic. Okay, and another one here. I think it's a good idea to heat up a little bit the bolt, or the nuts, I'm sorry, and then it can be very well fixed in the glue. It fixes itself in the glue. So if you feel like it's not properly fixed, then you can go back, because it's pretty easy to melt again and do the right connections again. Okay, I think this is done. Here it's okay. I don't like it to say it, but this kind of plastic fantastic they are very easy to break. So you have to be careful how you open it up, the lid, and how you manage to transport the laptop here, there. I think mine get destroyed when I put it in a backpack, in a rucksack, and there's been a lot of things in that bag, and I think it was a kind of pressure. But I'm really glad that the LCD is still okay, at least. So this one had been fixed with epoxy, but you see here, the epoxy also get broke. I think epoxy is not good for this kind of fixing. It's too tough. So let me heat up the knot a little bit to make it okay. That's the it's okay for now. Let's see this one. This one it's still going okay. It's still going strong, but let me have some glue also around here. Well, that should be okay for now. And I have another one up here, a little one. Ooh. Do you see the little one here? Okay, they need to be fixed too. And I have a piece of wire. It's one of the antennas here. You don't need that to get fixed into the glue. Oh, come on. Okay. This is good. I think it's done for now. So I use 300 degrees with this kind of TS100 soldering or soldering, like the Americans are saying. And let's wait for the results. I have to put the things together now. I always thought the cables have a kind of soul for themselves, kind of own personality. Everything is in place, very nice and easy. Let's put down the screen. Back in the position. Okay, it's looking pretty okay. Let me have this not too tight. Don't over twist. That's fine here. It's looking like I had too much glue. No, that's not a screw. That's not okay at all. Okay, this is something we have to do. If it's not fitting well, because the glue somehow it's too much or something, then we can heat up the hinges and push it down here, and you can feel it when it's hot enough, then will properly stay in place. And this is even better, because then it's getting really fixed. I can feel it the other side. It's pretty hot, and this I put the soldering iron to 400 degrees, and I'm heating up all this metal piece. Oh yeah, it's getting really hot. I can feel it down here. But don't put the screws yet, because they can get off very easily. what I can do is to push it down like this for a little while. Oh. No, it's really hot. This goes nice in place. That should be okay. Let me try to put some screws back. Oh yes, this is absolutely good. I don't want to push it too much. I want to let this, oh, it's hot. I want to let this piece rest. Maybe even try a little bit more. Okay, I even have a better idea. I'm heating up the hinge. Oh, please go back to sleep. Okay, 400 degrees. And I may say now it's really getting fixed. Very nice. Okay, is it hot? Yes, it is. Be careful about the wires. Don't melt any wires. Is it getting hot? Yes, I can feel it the other side. Hot. Perfect. Okay, let's keep it like this for a few minutes. In the meantime, I have to fix the other one. This one is pretty okay, you see. So I'm hitting the hinge until I can feel the heat the other side. Oh, come on. Shut down. You see the black one is coming up. That was just a piece of plastic, you know, to have a proper direction for doing this. Be careful not to touch the screen with the hot soldering gun. Then you destroy it for sure. Well, the best way is to take it off, but I was pretty lazy to do that. That should be okay for now here. Okay, and that should be okay. This one, I think it's fine. Okay, there we go. And now I have to fix this one. It's a little bit out. Now these hinges are very important because they are taking the pressure when you put up and down. Perfect. Yep. And I need a small one there. I think it's okay here. I got a small one here. And of course, like always, a couple of screws missing. Oh yeah, much better. I love it. Okay, so job is done. Screws are back in place here on the other side and up there too. Like I said, this hinges here, this big or long pieces of metal, they are very important because they are helping the screen to go up and down. And now it's smooth, you see, it's even and it's very solid. Okay, so that's the end of the video. It's an idea how to fix your hinges or losing knots with this kind of it's this kind of silicone gun glue, and of course my trusted TS100. Thank you for now. Bye.